How many products today have you seen where they say easy to install, yet it takes 3 hours and your whole toolbox to install it? Not with Prevent-A-Flood. Here we're not going to need any of these tools, so we're going to go ahead and put them right here in my toolbox. We're not going to need any of this. Any of these. We're not even going to need a drill. No, not going to need hammers. We're not going to need a tape measure. Everything. How about an ohm meter? Don't need an ohm meter. All right. Don't need even a pair of pliers or a screwdriver. As a matter of fact, we don't even need a set of gloves. Those are in the toolbox. Now we are ready to install the Prevent-A-Flood system.